This is the first day of our Women Build. We're building with Advia Credit Union. We're appreciative of Advia coming out today.
Well, we feel it's important to be a part of the community, to reach out and know that we're there for them, and it feels great. It's nice to know that we can actually help a person and see them and meet them and build right beside them.
Really, it's all about living our core values and building and strengthening relationships. Advia is sponsoring the day. We have about 15 employees out here working on building this home. We're going to be doing roofing, tiling, as well as some soffit work out here today. As you can see behind me, Shannon's actually working with us right around the corner.
Well, this is going to mean very much for me, and I have a 2-year-old daughter, so this is helping me out very good, and I'm excited. I had tears in my eyes coming down a little bit when they was talking to me, letting them know who's the homeowner.
I just found out she's a schoolmate of mine. We went to school together in high school. So it's nice to be able to give back to someone I knew back in the day. Yes, she picked out the gray for her house. It's a lovely gray color. It's a great feeling. I look forward to this event every year.
I can't tell you how much I appreciate them. They're fun to work with. They listen to what you need done, and they jump right in, and it's just a fun job. And we want to have a good time doing this.
Oh, it's awesome. Great feeling.
So exciting. So exciting to actually be here with the person that's going to buy the house and work alongside her to make her house her home.
It's awesome. It's awesome to get out of the office once in a while and do something that's helping somebody else.
It's nice that we get to meet them and work with them, and then we get to come back. Habitat invites us back over when the house is done, and we get to see them get into their new house, and it's awesome that we get to see the whole process with them.
I have been in the credit union industry for 10 years, and I've never done anything like this. Love to be a part of it, and it seems like it's a very popular event within our organization. People love to volunteer for this event.
It's a huge deal. Giving back to the community is everything for our program. We don't have any employees except for myself and the other construction manager. So we build the house from the bottom up with our volunteers.
So it kind of spurs us on, I'd say. It gives us a jolt of energy when a group like Advia comes out.
The more we're able to improve our community, the more we feel like we'll be able to improve the credit union as a whole and continue to provide financial advantages.
Thank you, Advia, and all of your volunteers for coming out and sharing with me and everybody else. Thank you very much.